Hi, this is Dr. Yogesh Kumar Sinha, Principal, OmDayal Group of Institutions. College started in 2010.
Basically, the course curriculum is 4 years and the main subjects are electric machine 1, machine 2, power system 1, power system 2, electric drives, etc.
So within the core subjects, I can say there are the subjects like operating system, DBMS, like networking, automata. These are the core subjects which basically creates the foundation for the subject computer science. And there are some programming languages like C, C++, Java. There are some other advanced subjects like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, IoT. So these are the cutting edge technologies. Students deal with the cutting edge technologies, and these are also useful for the industrial purpose.
It is divided in such a manner that 4 years of college education, then the 9th semester is compulsory training in different firms throughout India, and the final semester is fixed for thesis, which is conducted for 6 months. And after that, the student passes out and gets a degree.
The degrees in BTech, what we are giving is in AIML, then computer science engineering, then mechanical, electrical, and in management we are giving BBA, BCA, and from this year we have also started supply chain management.
I would like to discuss about the career opportunities in electrical engineering. The main fields that the electrical students can get their job is basically electrical design engineers, development engineers, then instrumentation engineers, power plant engineers, and the students can also get their jobs in electric vehicle companies and battery industries like Exide, Everyday Industries Limited, ONGC, Defense, at the same time power generation companies and power distribution and maintenance also.
Which are including thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, as well as the workshop. And in advanced level, like nowadays, the AI is very much related with this kind of code application. So that's why whenever we want to introduce the latest subject, automation and robotics, we always focus that the subject should be in core idea as well as its application.
Now for startup internship, the students are absorbed by some startup companies which may not be a larger name. People may not know this, but they are very innovative. Students get a lot of opportunities to learn.
So I request all parents and teachers that please visit our college and just have a look at the infrastructure, talk to your faculties, and then after that decide which course you'll be interested in. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.